You're very new, right? Like couple weeks into Gym Academy, and I guess you're the client, your offer, and all that stuff. It's fairly new to you.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think your biggest, I'm going to say issue, but biggest thing you can improve on right now is what you're coming up against right now?
Yeah. Biggest thing is just challenging people, getting to a point where I'm
Okay.
not agreeing and just being like a pushover, I guess you would say, to the business owner, giving them just an idea that not everything that they're saying is correct. I think that's probably the biggest thing because I'm losing the authority with some of the business owners when I can't challenge them. So I think that's probably the biggest thing right now.
So losing authority, trying to not be so much quote unquote a pushover.
Mhm.
When you say that, give me some specifics or examples of what you're referring to.
I think, I mean, a specific would be when business owners go into talking about their business, and some business owners they're really into themselves, and the biggest
Sure.
thing that they're talking about is they think that everything they're doing is correct. They think that everything they're doing,
Sure.
oh, it's really good. I have a really good product, and I just kind of agree with it, if you will. And those would be times where I could challenge them, say, is it really that good? We're not really doing great numbers. So I'm just lacking that challenge or sale, like Bob and I have talked about.
I'm gonna write some stuff down too, so don't mind them.
Yeah, no, you're fine. Just making people feel like not everything they're doing is correct, and that's why they're here, is to change.
Why do you think you do that?
Maybe it could be a small lack of experience in the B2B world. Majority of my experience comes from B2C. Second reason would be I'm probably just trying to be too likable, honestly.
And what do you think the best outcome for your clients are when they get on a call with you?
Best outcome would be them getting what they need to get to the next level, and obviously signing up.
What is it that they need to get to the next level?
In our case, it would be, first off, majority of the things is lead generation that people are needing help with, and then the help on the back end with consulting and coaching, making sure that we can actually run the business properly after we get the leads in.
What do you mean? Go a little deeper, but like lead generation. But what are they really needing?
I mean, I guess in our case, they're needing an offer. They're needing something that makes them standing out from their competition. Something.
Why do they need that?
Why? Because if they don't, then the customers will just automatically push them in with the same ads that they're always seeing with gyms, workout studios in their area. And the whole
Why is
idea
that
is
dangerous?
because they want to be able to stand out and be unique in order to be attractive.
Why do they want
to
to stand out and be unique?
Because you're not going to attract that ideal client without standing out and being unique.
What does having that ideal client do for their business?
One, it's going to increase the retention. You're going to be bringing in the best quality client from the start. Second, it's going to also improve your client experience. Your current clients are going to be around the ideal client, being around great people.
What do both of those things do for a business?
Increases organic lead flow.
Why do they need the ideal client, more retention? Why? What is the outcome of that for the business owner? If you were able to attract and bring in more ideal clients with perfect cars that you'd go and they have 4 cars for you to wash every day, so you don't do one car, then drive 30 minutes to do another car, then drive 45 minutes to do another car and do 10. Mm-hmm. If you just had like 4 great clients with 4 cars and you just did one block, boom, the next half of the day, another block, boom, what does that do for your business? What does having a bunch of clients like that do for your business?
Well, I mean, the first thing is it increases in efficiency.
And what does increasing efficiency do?
It gives you some more flexibility as far as time, what you can do, what you can't. You have more opportunities, I guess you would say.
Translate opportunities into a very simple term that business owners understand. What does opportunity mean to a business? One word and starts with M.
Money.
Right.